What's up, guys? Sunday morning, out here in the shop, getting ready to clean up everything and make some space. We're going to be getting Sean's car out today. He's on his way to pick this up, and I'm going to be getting room for the next car to come in. Car turned out gorgeous. And like I said in the previous video, he will be coming back to get the front end mounted and the doors and the Lexan and stuff like that. Other than that, it's ready to get wired and other things that he wants to do to the car. The only thing that we got to wait for is to get the other accessories mounted so we can get it to paint. So I'll keep everything updated as time goes on, as much as I possibly can. But here's a little walk around video for you guys.